All right, folks, what's going on? This should be a pretty short video, but I am going to do the very first mow on the new lawn right here. So as you can see, it is a little bit of a trash mess. I think I'm gonna pick up all that hay. That was where they fixed that sewage problem, but I don't think I wanna mulch that into the grass. But it's a little long, it is fescue, but it's not in bad shape over here. Probably do the back as well. But yeah, just gonna mow it. Should be pretty quick. See how it looks. I'm guessing it's gonna be pretty bumpy, but it is what it is. All right, folks, well, that's it. First mow at the new house. The grass actually isn't in too bad a shape. I actually am digging the look of the fescue. Still not sure I want it there. A lot of it has to do with the fact that it is extremely bumpy. And I do think that the Bermuda or some other grass will be a little bit better. But for now, I'm gonna leave the fescue alone. That area I was gonna do a lot of the raking, but it's pretty embedded in the fescue starting to come through, so I think I'm just gonna leave it alone. I didn't bag today, but I will bag the next time that I mow, and we'll go from there. But for today, you know, it's the first good mow. It's a little bit bigger yard than you think it is. If you notice, there's a bunch of dirt in the back. That's gonna be a different video. It's actually the first project, but it's a lot of edits on that video, so I'll be putting that out sometime later on this week. But I wanted to get a mow in because the grass is starting to look really crappy, and I wanted to make sure that it looked a lot better for the neighbors. I don't want to be that neighbor that moves in and takes a while for their yard to look decent. So, especially since I am a lawn shark after all, you know, I've got a reputation to uphold. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you liked the video, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment back down below if you have any questions or any comments. And if I earned your subscription, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of future videos. And we will see you on the next one. Have a good week, everybody. Bye.